In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Western Union to Easypaisa account quickly. Open the Western Union app and log into your account. Click on Send Money or Start New Transfer to begin your transaction. Select the country as Pakistan since we are sending money to Easypaisa. Enter the amount you want to send and click on Check Fees to view the transaction charges. Choose a payment method like credit, debit card, bank transfer, etc. Select mobile wallet as the delivery method. Click on Add New to add the receiver's details. Fill in the receiver's mobile number and name as per their Easypaisa account. Confirm the Easypaisa account details and complete the payment. That's it. The money will be transferred to the Easypaisa mobile wallet. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.